To get started, open your browser and navigate to the Addosoft website. Make sure that the website is secure before downloading Addobar. Once the download is complete, you can open the downloaded file. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to choose your CAD version. I will be using BricsCAD version 23 today. Press the Install button after selecting a CAD version. After the installation is done, click Finish. Another pop-up will ask you to run CAD as administrator. You need to do this once to load the COM server. When CAD opens, you can go ahead and open a new drawing so the COM server can load. Go ahead and close CAD now. Begin by opening CAD as usual and initiating a new drawing. After the drawing is open, proceed to the Addosoft ribbon. Now you can open the License Manager. You can now fill in your details and also enter your license key if you have one. If you don't have a license key, there is a demo mode where you can have a maximum of 10 entities. Here, you'll observe that it operates in demo mode, and you have the capability to add bars at this point. Demo mode is automatically enabled when no license is detected. Here you can see I am adding bars and will show you what happens once you reach the limit. This pop-up appears when the limit is reached. To add more than 10 entities, you can purchase a license from www.addosoft.co.za. Thank you for choosing Addosoft. We're dedicated to enhancing your CAD experience and value your trust in our solutions. Have a great day.